Are you looking for the best miter saw in 2025? Whether you're a professional contractor, a serious woodworker, or a DIY enthusiast, having the right miter saw can make a world of difference in precision, power, and efficiency. But with so many options on the market, how do you choose the best one for your needs? Don't worry. In this video, we've done all the hard work for you. Today we are reviewing the top 5 best miter saws available on Amazon, breaking down their features, pros, and cons to help you make an informed decision. Stay tuned until the end because we'll reveal the ultimate best pick. And remember, check the description box and the first comment for direct product links and the best available deals. Let's get started. Craftsman CMCS 714M1V 27 1/4" miter saw kit. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Craftsman CMCS 714M1V 27 1/4" miter saw kit. A compact yet powerful cordless saw designed for those who need portability without sacrificing cutting ability. Powered by a V20 lithium-ion battery, this saw delivers impressive runtime and mobility, making it perfect for on-site projects and quick cuts. It features a 7 1/4" carbide-tipped blade and 3,800 revolutions per minute motor, allowing smooth and precise cuts on wood, trim, and molding. With 9 miter detents and a 3/5/8" crosscut capacity, it's versatile enough for a variety of jobs. While it's not designed for heavy-duty work, its lightweight build and easy portability make it an excellent choice for homeowners and DIYers. Skill MS 6305-0010" dual bevel sliding miter saw. At number 4, we have the Skill MS 6305-0010" dual bevel sliding miter saw, a high-performance tool offering precision and convenience. This saw features a powerful 15-amp motor, providing up to 4,800 revolutions per minute for clean, accurate cuts. Its dual bevel capability, left and right up to 45 degrees, allows for intricate bevel cuts without flipping the material, saving you time and effort. The LED shadow line system ensures perfect alignment, making every cut flawless. With a 2x12" cutting capacity, it can handle larger materials with ease. While it lacks some premium features found in high-end models, its affordability, power, and dual bevel function make it a great mid-range option for both professionals and DIYers. Metabo HPTC 10FCGS 10" compound miter saw. At number 3, we have the Metabo HPTC 10FCGS 10" compound miter saw, known for its lightweight design and powerful performance. This saw is an excellent choice for users who need reliability at an affordable price. The 15-amp motor produces 5,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring fast and precise cuts for framing, molding, and woodworking projects. It has a 0 to 52 degrees miter angle range for versatility and a 0 to 45 degrees bevel range for clean bevel cuts. The large table and clamping system provides stability, making it a great pick for beginners and intermediate woodworkers. While it doesn't have sliding rails, its affordability, portability, and power make it an excellent budget-friendly choice. DeWalt DWS 780 12" double bevel sliding miter saw. Taking the second spot is the DeWalt DWS 780 12" double bevel sliding miter saw, a favorite among professionals for its unmatched accuracy and durability. It features a 15-amp motor with a 3,800 revolutions per minute speed, offering a perfect balance of power and precision. The XPS crosscut positioning system projects a shadow onto the material for precise cuts. With double bevel functionality, 0 to 49 degrees both directions, and stainless steel miter detent plates, it ensures highly accurate cuts every time. The large sliding fence supports crown molding up to 7.5 inches, making it ideal for larger projects. While it's slightly heavier, its premium build quality and outstanding performance make it a solid investment for serious woodworkers. Bosch GCM12 SD 12" dual bevel sliding miter saw. And finally, at number 1, we have the Bosch GCM12 SD 12" dual bevel sliding miter saw, a high-end saw with game-changing axial glide technology. Unlike traditional rail systems, Bosch's patented axial glide system allows for smooth and precise cuts while saving workspace. The 15-amp motor delivers 3,800 revolutions per minute, ensuring exceptional cutting power. With dual bevel capabilities, 0 to 47 degrees both ways, and a 14" horizontal cutting capacity, it's built for large-scale projects. The square-lock quick-release fences ensure accurate cuts, while the dust collection system keeps the workspace clean. Though it comes at a premium price, Its compact design, innovative features, and unparalleled accuracy make it the best overall miter saw in 2025. And there you have it, the top 5 best miter saws in 2025. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option like the Metabo HPT or a premium workhorse like the Bosch GCM 12ST, there's something for everyone. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to check the description box for the latest prices and exclusive Amazon deals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more in-depth tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.